Are you constantly tired, foggy, or moody, and wondering if sleep could be the missing piece? In this video, we reveal what just 1 week of quality sleep can do for your body, mind, and mood. From boosting your metabolism and balancing hormones to improving focus, heart health, and even your skin, getting better sleep is the most underrated form of self-care. If you've ever asked, how does sleep affect my body? What are the benefits of good sleep? How can I reset my sleep schedule naturally? This video is for you. Discover the powerful science-backed benefits of consistent sleep and learn simple habits to reclaim restful nights, starting tonight. Because great days start with great nights, and your body knows exactly how to heal if you let it rest. Sleep often feels like a luxury, but it's actually a biological necessity. And the effects of getting just 1 week of good, consistent sleep can be nothing short of transformational. From the very first night, your body begins to repair. During deep sleep, cells regenerate, muscles recover, and your immune system strengthens. Growth hormone is released, helping to rebuild tissue and burn fat. You wake up not just rested, but physically restored. After 2 nights of quality sleep, your brain becomes sharper. Concentration improves. Reaction time increases. You begin to process information faster and retain memories more effectively. Mental fog starts to lift, and simple tasks no longer feel overwhelming. By the 3rd night, your mood begins to stabilize. Good sleep balances your neurotransmitters, especially serotonin and dopamine. You feel calmer, more resilient, and less reactive to stress. That edge of irritability fades, anxiety softens, emotional regulation returns. On the 4th night, your heart thanks you. Quality sleep reduces blood pressure and inflammation in the body. Your cardiovascular system starts functioning more efficiently. The risk of heart-related issues begins to drop, because your heart finally gets a chance to rest. By night 5, your metabolism begins to rebalance. Leptin and ghrelin, your hunger and satiety hormones, start working properly again. Cravings decrease. You feel fuller with less food. Your energy levels rise, making movement and healthy choices easier throughout the day. After 6 nights, your skin starts to glow. That's not just a saying. While you sleep, your body boosts collagen production and blood flow to the skin. Puffiness goes down, dark circles fade, and your complexion looks more even. Sleep is your natural beauty routine. By the 7th night, your entire system is working in sync. Hormones, metabolism, immune function, and cognitive clarity are all aligned. You feel grounded, more optimistic, more energized. Your body has remembered what it's like to function at its best. And it all came from doing something so simple: sleeping well. The process doesn't require drastic change. Start by setting a consistent bedtime. Dim the lights an hour before sleep. Power down electronics. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals late in the day. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Protect your sleep like it's sacred, because it is. In just 1 week of good sleep, your body begins to heal. Your mind begins to clear. Your energy returns. And the person you remember being, the focused, happy, balanced version of you, starts to emerge again. Sleep isn't a reward. It's your foundation. And every good day starts the night before. 1 week. That's all it takes to begin transforming your energy, focus, mood, and even your skin, just by sleeping well. You don't need to chase perfection, just consistency. Start small. Honor your wind down. Protect your rest. Because sleep isn't just recovery, it's your body's reset button. If this video helped you rethink rest, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health insights. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next one.